Hello, in order to enable or disable NFC on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, you need to go to the settings. Then in the settings, you want to go to connections, and over here you have NFC and contactless payments. You can simply tap on the slider on the right side in order to enable or disable NFC, and if you tap on this option, then you can also enable and disable this. In addition to that, you also have quick access, so you can swipe from the top towards the middle like so. Do this twice in order to open the quick access. And over here you can try to find NFC. In my case it is missing, but we can add it over here in order to be able to quickly enable and disable NFC. So we can press on this pen icon here, choose to edit full, and then in available buttons try to find NFC and simply press on this button in order to add it to the quick access. You can also press and hold and then drag it somewhere in order to position it somewhere else. You can press done, go back to the quick access, there we go. And as you can see over here we have NFC. We can press on this button in order to toggle NFC. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!